insert this duty standby disk filter. Okay, like just to remove the solid only. So this is in brief. If anyone have a doubt or want to again me to explain, anyone have any question?
How much is
2,400.
500, I think.
500 or 400.
SAS on MROS?
Yeah, the SAS for the discharge the solid, the sludge outside for the disposal. Surface. RAS to be 10 back for the treatment, again, recirculation.
They are designed to maintain the analysis.
Because if you are not recirculating, so with the flow, your tank doesn't have any biomass. So to maintain the biomass, a part of the based on design, a part of the sludge will recirculated to inlet of the biological system. Yeah, to maintain the biomass in the system. And SAS will whatever excess sludge produced to extract from the system, that will done by the SAS pump.
So we can go directly to the B&ID?
Yeah, thank you, Ahmed.
Okay.
I think I need your help for 5 minutes again.
Yeah, okay.
So stand up here.
Yeah.
Do exercise.
Yeah, okay. Start.
Okay, guys. So I believe Ahmed has explained very, very well. And you do not have any question. If you have any question anytime, please raise your hand up. So now let us go back in the node markup. So as Ahmed has explained the entire system, what we have done, we have divided the entire section into 11 compartment or 11 node, you can say, right? So this is color code. In the P&ID, you will see red color solid line is node 1. I'm just explaining so that you don't get confused during workshop. This is node 2 is a green solid color. Node 3 again solid color blue, and node 4 dotted yellow color like this. So we have divided entire scope into 11 node. So we will go one by one so that we don't rush up and we don't miss any important point. Okay. Now what we will do, we will start with node 1. If you say P&ID,